which I left like 3 years ago, 5 years ago.
Why you missed it before 3 years? Intentionally, يعني?
Maybe I was lazy in praying or.
خلاص. The time finished.
There is no qada on that. You just pray
case,
operational.
As Shaykh al-Albani mentioned, Shaykh al-Uthaymin mentioned, خلاص. At this case, no qada. Why? Because he said, Allah told us, إن الصلاة كانت على المؤمنين كتابا موقوتا. What's mean موقوتا?
The time.
It has a limited time. It has a start and end. So if the time finishes without praying and you don't have an excuse, there is no qada for it.
So to fulfill that,
خلاص istighfar. It was a mistake. Because I was lazy, I did not pray on time. You have to make istighfar. You need to pray more mustahab salah.
And if one misses the Fajr prayer, and then he is doing a qada, he has to pray the Sunnah.
It is not wajib. The Sunnah is not wajib.
Sunnah is not wajib.
Yes.
He has to just pray 2 rak'ah.
Yes.
Which are fard.
Yes. If he missed, not intentionally, of course.
Not intentionally.
Yes.
Yes. He overslept.
Yes.
Something like that.